Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about a suntan removal and a skin brightening scrub. So this scrub is made up of such really great ingredients which are really effective in removing the suntan and in making your skin really bright, glowing, hydrating and deeply moisturized. So if your skin have some darkness or you have some uneven skin tone, then this scrub will definitely remove them in just one use and will just help you in skin brightening, skin lightening and skin tightening. It also has anti-aging properties into it which makes it best in removing the wrinkles and the fine lines from your skin and will make your skin really fair, glowing, spotless and crystal clear. So the first ingredient which we need to prepare this scrub is coffee. So here I'm using this Nescafe coffee, but you can use any brand coffee, and you just have to take 1 teaspoon of coffee in a clean bowl. Next up, you're gonna need Maggi powder, and if you want to know how to prepare this Maggi powder, then I have a detailed video on that. You can check the description box below, or you can just click on the I option and you will see how to prepare this Maggi powder. So here I'm adding 1 teaspoon of this Maggi powder into it. Now next up, we are gonna need sugar. Here I'm using the white sugar, but you can also use the brown sugar if you have. And here I'm adding approx 1.5 teaspoon of sugar into it. After that, you're gonna need honey, and here I'm adding 1 teaspoon of honey into it. And now the last ingredient which you need is aloe vera gel, and here you just have to add 1.5 teaspoon of aloe vera gel into it. And after adding all these ingredients, you just have to give a good mix to all of them really nicely so that they all combine with each other well and makes a smooth paste. And please don't over mix it, because then the sugar will melt down and the scrub consistency will not form. So now after mixing all the ingredients really well, your homemade suntan removal and a skin brightening face scrub is ready, and it will look something like this. You can also use this face scrub all over your body as well to just remove all the cellulite, darkness, uneven skin tone, and this scrub will really make your skin brighter, lighter and tighter. It will just remove all your suntan, darkness and uneven skin tone from your skin and will give you that flawless looking skin with just one use of this face scrub. So now let me tell you how to use this scrub for best results. So you just have to take a little amount of this scrub onto your fingertips and just gently scrub your skin and massage it in circular motion for a few minutes. And now after gently scrubbing your skin for a few minutes, just leave it like that for 5 minutes so that it can also work as a face pack. And after 5 minutes, just rinse your skin with normal water and then pat dry and moisturize your skin really well. And for the best results, you should use this face mask twice or thrice in a week. So yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. And if you like it, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And yeah, that's it for today. I'll see you guys super soon with a brand new video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.